bed.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so soft and ako matulog.
Ayaw mo sa Ocean Park. Okay, yan yung favorite ni Liam and Ate Peach. What's that? Aquarium. Yeah. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Liam. Here's the workstation. Diyan mag-work si Mami at Daddy later. And the TV. Dati wala pa silang smart TV.
Yes.
Kasi pang ilang time na natin dito? 4. Nung una, baby pa kayo ni Liam.
Yes.
Yan. Mas cellphone charger. Tapos this one, what's this type?
The pantry.
Ooh. So, nag-grocery sila yesterday. Mga favorite nilang food, right?
Yes.
Here naman, yung mga gamit. Tapos, saan tayo next time?
Bathroom.
Ooh, nice. Very big mirror, no? Maliam.
Yeah.
Stock nila.
I think the fish has been
There's the toilet. There's the likuan, shower inside. Oh, the ref. Where's the ref? Oh, there's the ref. Okay. Yan mga drawers. It's the drawers. Okay guys, bye muna. We're gonna go to Ocean Park.
Bye!
Happy birthday, Liam!
Yeah!
Liam!
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Are you enjoying, guys?
Yes!
Yeah!
Yan, gusto mo na sumot na doon.
Doon? Iko na tayo dyan. Ay,
Kasi may ulo mo doon.
Gusto mo dyan, Liam?
Water yan eh.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi. Yes. Tara, let's go na ulit.
Kami ni Mami.
Ay, oo nga, wala kaming picture. Ate Peach. Hi, Ate Peach. Hi, Liam.
Hello?
Ay, naglalaro si Liam sa circle. Left. Look at the elevator.
Meron pa dito, halika. Oh, look. Ano yung nagawa nila?
Yan.
Ano ba yan?
Payat, mga nakapirog lang, parang mga release na. Ito, yun ang laki sa baba. Nakita ba?
Saan, Daddy?
Yan yung malaking gumagalaw.
Oh, yun.
Laki no?
Nice.
Alam mo ba may seahorse ba yun? Anak?
Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hi. Yan daw na-remember ni Liam dati.
Remember this?
What? Dali, pili natin lahat ng picture. Yes, 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 Liam. Wow, colorful. Ano yan kaya? Careful. Ano yan? Ooh, what's that?
Rainbow ako dahil sa laro muli ng kilig.
Ooh! Ooh!
Hello!
Ate, ito pa oh. What's this?
You?
Ha?
Ano?
Parang scary.
See?
Say hello to Mommy. Hello, Mommy.
Hello, Mami!
Hello, Mami.
Sige.
Ano, ito yung Ocean Park. We're going to Ocean Park. Kasi kayo sa Mami.
Peach and Liam, can you make harap to Mommy?
Thanks, Mami.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Akin na kayo magsalagod yan.
Woo!
Hello,
Peach, Liam, oh. Liam, don't you see them?
Si Dory ba yun?
Si Dory.
Yes, sorry. For
Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Mami, ito na. Mami.
Daddy, asan?
Yung mata niya, no?
Bye-bye!
Ayun, Daddy mo nakita yung umakyat?
Ito siya.
Hindi may isa pa umakyat doon.
Alayin yung mata niya, oh.
Yung eyes na ano, Liam, scary.
Nahiwala yung eyes niya.
It's creepy and scary.
Finish na lang. Anak, ibigay mo na agad ha. Yan, iiwan mo ha.
We're gonna make, feed the fish?
Oo. Yes, this is the food. Ano ba?
Ew!
Pusit. Pusit ito. Pusit.
Okay, go.
Ayan, yan. Just sit down there. Yan, closer.
Come closer, Liam.
Ito yan, oh.
Oh!
Buka na, beach. Yan. Alang, ipapa mo sa tubig.
Ate, baba mo! Baka makain yung kamay mo!
Baka ba yung ano, lalagyan, baka mahulog mo yun.
Anak, you can hold the spoon. Pwede mo hawakan.
Hawakan mo.
Ate, hold it. Don't be scared. Si Daddy na lang. Daddy, go na. Si Daddy na lang. Cutie. Ate, holding ito. Nice. Daddy, hindi makapasok sa...
I'm scared of the water.
Yan, yan.
Yan pala yung pala.
Hawakan mo.
I'm scared. Scared siya. Daddy, pakainin mo pa.
Kasi push mo nga.
Push mo nga sa bibig niya. Okay na, Daddy. Ayun. Okay. Tara na, Liam. I know you're scared na.
Yun na, yun na, yun na. Yes. Anak ko muna, ikaw ba yung...
Okay lang, pwede ka. Wala, sorry.
Ay, busog sila.
The penguins are full daw. Ate, sorry.
Can't feel the penguin.
Ano yung safety? Ba't may daga? Daga?
Oo, ano yung dumaan na yun?
Ano yun? Daga ba yun? Ang laki.
Nakita ko nga may dumaan. Yun na, anak, go and look.
Liam, Liam. Si ano, Liam? The penguins are full. Don't.
Ha?
Cute. Cute?
Cute.
Yung pa, yung pa.
Ay,
Hindi ko natin ba yan?
hello, Liam.
Hala.
I hate keychains.
What do you want, ate?
Huwag ka
Sige,
naman
nakuha ka na.
Gusto mo yan pag
Yan ba gusto mo or yung pink? Maganda yan dahil. Kasi ano, may penguin sa loob. No? May nag-iisang Nemo.
Gusto mo?
Hindi.
Yeah.
Feeling ko
May
260
gusto ko yung parang may yung parang cellphone pero may nagtatapos may bubbles.
Meron dito nun. Gusto mo ng Nemo, Daddy?
Yes.
The big one? Small lang, para ma-display.
Akala ko wala. Yes.
Sa ilalim
Ulit this
lang.
one.
Pili ka naman sa ilalim para bago.
Banta yung mata. Sa kaspit.
Daddy's choosing na stuff.
Ito.
Ang cute!
Kamukha ni Liam.
Yeah, so we bought Nemo and the keychain.
You have your
Yay! Excited? Hello, ate. Enjoy.
Yeah. Diyan ba tayo?
Alam mo yan, yes anak. Alam mo yan yun, Liam. Daddy, ito yun.
Ano sa red wood?
Octopus?
Ano ang tutok?
Octopus na blue.
May blue ba?
So we just finished with Oceanarium and Trails of Antarctica and souvenir shops. Yeah. What do you like most, Liam?
The ocean aquarium.
Yeah, the Ocean Aquarium. How about you, Tipish? Yung anong favorite mo doon? Ako yung stingray. You know, he's smiling at us.
Tapos may mga founts pa tungkol sa ano-anong heads of fish.
Yes. Happy?
Yes.
Sayang yung penguins, kumain na sila. Hindi tayo nakapagpa-picture, no? They're already full. But you saw them. They're so cute. What kind of penguins are they? Humboldt. And you bought something, no? Patingin nga, Peach. Ate Peach bought Nemo.
Nemo. We found Nemo.
You found Nemo na. Also, what else? Yun. Cute keychain for your bag. Where are you gonna put it?
Sa bag. Sa harap.
Sa harap. Sana walang kumuha. Also, where's the Kuya Kian? Yun! Oh, you were looking for that coin, Liam. Can I see? Can you pick it up? Wow! Nagsushoot ng mga parang circles.
Yes.
Yes.
Give it to me.
Park na punta na tayo sa room, no? Bye, guys!
Okay.
Hi! Oh,
D.
just got back from Oceanarium. Hi, guys! Pagod na pagod. Pagoda. So, Ate Peach is eating with Nemo. Jolie. Liam is watching. Big Ben.
Big B. Ken.
Yeah. And Daddy preparing for his work later. Tapos ito yung picture namin. Nice, no? Bye, guys. Merienda lang. Bye. Ay, bye.
Bye.
Parang monkey. Pati si Daddy monkey, oh.
This is the monkey habitat.
Ayun, may fishes doon, Daddy, sa likod niyo. Ayan na. Ayan na, Liam, ayan, oh.
Pero naman yung mga ganun mo.
Pero wala yung tropa. Yun si Ate Picture nang ginawa ko di humiga.
Ay! Bilis ko.
Una.
Yay! Noodles ka. Hello, Liam! Yes, super good. Liam, happy birthday! Happy ka?
Yes.
Bakit? Why are you happy? Little monkey. Why are you happy, baby? Why are you happy, little monkey? Huh?
That's his tree.
Kusera mo, Tipich. Fishing kay Mommy. Smile. Liam, smile. Bye, guys. Daddy, gagawa naman cup noodles from Japan. Yee! Ano ba yan? Magsa-school na nga eh. Magka-quiz pa kayo.
Ready na ako ng brain.
Yay! Masasleep muna kami bago mag-wake up ulit na. For dinner, no?
Apo.
We're watching TV. Never
Yes.
have I ever. Where are the fish, Daddy? Saan yung mga fishes?
Ang liit yun!
Gaganin mo, Daddy.
Yan na.
Small one.
Wala namang fish.
Ang liit.
Ito yung never have I ever.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Yun, our favorite tropa. Time check, guys. Yun, yung mga big fishes. Time check, ate. 10 o'clock. Kakagising lang namin around 9, right? Konti na lang yung fishes paggabi. Hello, guys.
What is that?
Why is that? Maybe they're sleeping. Yeah. The trio. Okay, the lights are out in the aquarium. Goodbye na tayo.
Bye, fishes!
Bye-bye. Pa-close na ni Ate Peach. Kasi mag-sleep na yung mga fishes. Liam, diba? Bye-bye. Good night. Tomorrow ulit. Night check. Time check, Daddy. 10 a.m. Yeah, nag-breakfast kami. Isang picture lang.
Dalawang platform sa
Tapos, tingnan mo yung yan yung mga fishes. Sleeping baby at sleeping po. Kami busog na busog. Then, nasa work. Yay! Andun yung triplets. They're so big. Cute. Si Nemo nandyan. Panakot namin sa kanila. Cute.